Hey, get away, Alex here. So I'm going on a cruise ship on my next contract, and in this video I want to share some tips for those of you who are packing for your very first contract, or maybe you have done few contracts on a cruise ship, or maybe you're just a curious person. Anyway, this video should provide you some tips and tricks on preparation. I'm going to share my personal experience with all the details. So if you're up to this, let's go.
So basically, I'm a crew member that's working far away from home. Home is beautiful Ukraine, you can probably tell. Hopefully, this video is going to be useful for you. Maybe you're seeking for a job on a cruise ship, and maybe you want to build a career in entertainment or in any other department on board of any cruise line right there. Let me tell you, this lifestyle is addictive, a very addictive lifestyle, because I'm at sea for over 13 years. This is my second company already. I'm working with Norwegian for over the 10 years. So right now occupying the position of cruise director. So my very first advice to you, even before packing, will be to explore the Instagram, TikTok, all the social media, and try to find somebody who's actually working on a cruise ship, ideally in your department, ideally doing your job, so you can ask a particular person of what to prepare, unless you obviously has been given the clear instructions. However, sometimes they might give you some sort of instructions or some sort of basic package information right there, but it can be outdated, or it's just the general information that does not specify your particular duties or does not cover the uniform for your particular duties. And since I'm working in entertainment as a cruise director slash assistant cruise director, anyway, I'm an entertainer. Look how many costumes and uniform do I need, some pants and stuff. This is just to give you an idea how, for example, my wardrobe looks like on one of the cruise ships. This particular one from the Norwegian Star. By the way, there's a video about how the cabin on the Norwegian Star looks like. You can check it out somewhere here. But just imagine, to pack all this, how much room do you need? By the way, it's good that as a crew member, I can have 2 suitcases. So it's a 2 suitcases carry-on and usually my backpack. So I can fit in all this, basically in those 2 suitcases all my life. Especially since I cannot go home. Cannot go home to beautiful Ukraine.
All right, so everything is ready. Well, 90% I would say. So this one is ready. There is a majority of the stuff is my costumes, maybe some other stuff. Now this is another bag, as you see as well already, and the carry-on. What is my hack for those of you who are packing for the cruise ship? Pack everything for the first day. Like, for example, I'm going to show you. Like here, you can see there is like my uniform and everything for the first day that I need. And in this bag, there's a stuff that I can throw away in case I'm gonna go over weight. That's that. And then I have some minor things that I need to put in my backpack, just right there. Right there, I already separated something that I'm gonna wear together with this t-shirt. This is my gym clothes for today. And in that fanny pack, or whatever you call it, it's some documents. Again, all this jazz gonna go after I'm gonna charge all my headphones and batteries and all those hard drives. They're gonna just go to my backpack together with my computer. That's about it. Also, the good thing that around 70% of everything was already packed. I basically never unpack those costumes and a lot of things on the shoes that I need for my duties. Maybe that's not the best idea to pack on your bed, but I don't have more room in this Airbnb. By the way, there is a video about this Airbnb available on the channel. I'll tag it somewhere here.
something that works every time. It's a shoe organizer or whatever organizer for your stuff. Something that does not take a lot of space will work for a cruise ship. So if you can pre-order from Amazon or whatever, or buy it somewhere, make sure that you pack the organizers for your stuff. Believe me, they will be handy as long as they are not heavy themselves.
By the time you're watching this, I'm probably already on a cruise ship, so if you want to see more cruising videos on traveling, lifestyle, and stuff, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.